So, to start off today's video real quick, I just want to send a shout out to KQ. He sent me over a can of white peel coat. And with the note in here, it says, now paint that fender on the Yeet. It looks like ass. Or he said, if it looks like ass, just peel it off, in theory. And that's from KQ. And I used it Saturday, recorded it, but unfortunately I lost the footage. But here it is, check it out. So this fender was red, and I used that peel coat on it. I probably put like 4 or 5 coats on there. It kind of looks like a primer almost, but it's better than red. I also put the side decal on this side. I didn't have it on there yet, so I went ahead and put that on Saturday as well. Actually, it may have been Sunday. I don't know. It's either Saturday or Sunday. This is this weekend one day. And then also I put on my WeatherTech. They're in-channel visors. Those are discontinued, so don't go trying to find them because you ain't gonna find them. I've had those for a while, just had them kind of sitting around. So I've got them on both sides. And then we bought a couple CRVs yesterday. Well, we bought 3 yesterday. So we got this EBP one. There's another one over there that's silver that's wrecked. That it's actually under the magnolia. You can barely see it right there. But it's silver's wrecked EX. And then we bought another silver LX. It's I'm gonna pick up tomorrow, but it's also lifted and has big tires on it and stuff. So I'm gonna pick that up tomorrow. But you'll be seeing this one used in today's video. So let's get to it. I'm filthy already, look. But I did want to make sure that KQ got the recognition that he deserved. See, I got a couple 7th gens in here, both of them getting head gaskets. Hey guys, it's Philip from the Honda Resource. I'm coming back to you with another 1st gen CRV video. So on this one, we just bought it today. And I know you probably can't tell because of the sunlight, but there we go. The brake lights are staying on. You can probably tell a little better on this one. There you go. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this. Now, this one's obviously a work of progress, but what we're gonna need is this little piece here. This little piece can be bought at Honda. This is actually a Honda part right here. I'll put the OEM part number in the description, but you can also get the Doorman variation at AutoZone and most other part stores. It's actually cheaper to get it at Honda, just FYI. And so what we need to do, right here at the brake pedal, if you look straight up on the left side of the brake pedal here, there's a bracket right here, and that is the brake switch. Okay, so this little plug has to go in the hole right there, and you can see it hits that switch, and then the brake lights go off. See? No more brake lights. Push the brake light. Push the brake pedal real quick, Cody.
You ready?
Yeah. All right. Cool. See? They're working now by pressing the pedal. And let go of the pedal. Let go of the pedal. See? No more brake light. So that's just a quick little DIY. There's nothing super strenuous or anything, but if you're having problems with your brake lights staying on your 1st generation Honda CRV, there's your quick fix. And be sure to check out the playlist at the end of the video. There's a ton of DIY repairs, tips, and tricks, and all that good kind of stuff down there. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.